back to Olive Oil Spanish Kitchen. My name is Aran and she is Yoko. Today we bring you a very delicious typical Spanish recipe from Córdoba, Andalusia. It's salmorejo. Salmorejo, it's like a tomato soup seasoned with another ingredients, and we always eat salmorejo with eggs and Spanish ham on top, so it's really good. Today I want to share with you my version of this delicious recipe. My version, it's so quick, it's ready in less than 10-15 minutes and is much healthier because have no bread and the quantity of olive oil is also reduced. For the authentic salmorejo you need about 150 milliliters, and in my recipe is just 20-30 milliliters, so it's much lighter, much healthier. It's the recipe that I always prepare at home, so I want to share with you. I hope you enjoy so much, and if you have any doubt you can just write it in the comments below. So let's get started with the ingredients.
To prepare my version of salmorejo, we will need 1 kilo of tomatoes, 5 piquillo peppers, 1 clove garlic, about 5 grams of salt, vinegar, olive oil. I have never told you, but at home I always use extra virgin olive oil. Also, I always buy it in 5-liter bottles. Eggs, I'm going to use 2, but you can add the amount you want. And serrano ham in small cubes. The same, if you like it a lot, you can use more quantity. We are going to start cooking the eggs. With about 8-9 minutes, it will be enough. Meanwhile, we roast the tomatoes and cut them into medium pieces. We add them to our mixer. If you want, you can peel the tomatoes. I use them whole because the result for me is not so different. Add the piquillo peppers, peel the garlic and add it to the mixer. Add the salt, the vinegar to taste. If you like it with a stronger flavor, add a little more than I'm using. Add a splash of olive oil and blend for a few minutes. Remember that this is my light version of salmorejo. It is very important that you try it to see if you need to add more salt or more vinegar, and rectify if necessary. The salmorejo is ready. We only need to prepare the toppings. Peel the boiled eggs and chop them. Put the salmorejo in a bowl and put the egg and the ham on top. You can eat it like this, or you can mix it up a little bit. If you have leftovers, you can keep it in the fridge for up to 3 days. Enjoy!
So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you don't want to miss any recipe like this one, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So we will see you in the next video. Bye bye!